So we've been at it for about at least 40 minutes. The back was absolutely shocking. Concrete crap and just shit everywhere. We took the toolbox out, filled like 3 bags full of crap. Oh yeah. Cleaned the inside. This was all putrid, just crap everywhere. And here as well, it still looks a bit, how you going? Need a bit of a steam clean there. Big time clean. At least it's got a Pioneer deck, which is great. Very impressed with these tyres. Still new. Maxxis Razors, whatever they are. Razor. That's at least $300 each, these tyres. TJM bar. Pretty good bar. King's massive driving lights. They're not working at the moment. I've got to figure that out. Just changed one of the headlamps in there. It's got a CB antenna. The bonnet's a bit how you go. Dings here and there. It's got a Plasma Man intercooler pipe, solid pipe instead of the. I don't want to open the boot for that. Instead of the rubber. Looks like it's got tinted windows. 6-speed manual. The clutch has got to be replaced, obviously. And I also noticed under here, where is it? Tough dog shockers, which is pretty good. Looks like extended shackles, so that's not standard. This is busted, that's got to be changed. So there's a bit to do, but nothing too expensive, just cosmetics. Boom.